Tigger. Tigger looking for the outside. It's going to be a close one. Tigger crosses the line first, and BP right behind. Tigger is the winner. Of the Spark Kids Ministry, it is the end of another week, which means it's time for our weekly prize drawing. This week on Monday, we had a family challenge. There was a trick shot challenge going along with the Foundry Student Ministry this week. So those of you that participated in that, have your name added to this basket here for our prize drawing. Also with our Bible study sheet this week, we have a silly little tournament with the amazing puppy race. And so we're going to be showing that here in just a second. And those of you that did that Bible study sheet and then correctly predicted the winning puppy from that race will be added to this basket as well. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and watch how that tournament turned out. I'm really excited about this. 8 cute little puppies racing against each other in a tournament until a champion is crowned. So let's see how that turned out and which little puppy is our winner. And in our first race today, we have Tony going up against Jaws. All right, let's go, Pete. And they're off. And he's out. This one's Tony just froze. Jaws is the winner. In the next race, we have Lemon and Billy. Lemon and Billy. Go ahead, Pete. And they're off.
Nope.
There goes Lemon toward the outside. She's got a slight lead, kind of going in circles. There she goes for the edge, and she's the winner. Billy just froze. And in race number 3 today, we have Dottie and Fierce. On the mark, get set, go! And off to a slow start. There goes Fierce looking for the outside. Dottie's just frozen, and Fierce is our winner. And in the final race of the Elite 8, we have Tigger going up against BP. On your mark, get set, go! Looks like they're more interested in taking a nap.
A bee just almost stuck my eye.
There goes Tigger. Tigger looking for the outside. It's going to be a close one. Tigger crosses the line first, and BP right behind. Tigger is the winner and advances to the semifinals. And here we are in the semifinals. We have Jaws going up against Lemon. Winner makes it to the championship.
All right.
Get this puppy out of here. All right, here we go. Jaws and Lemon.
No.
On your mark, get set, go. There goes Jaws making it for the outside. Lemon right behind her. Jaws is the winner. And looking for the next spot in the championship round, we've got Tigger going up against Fierce. Tigger and Fierce. On your mark, get set, go! Winner goes to the championship. Fierce is looking to the outside. Stops right at the line. She's got to get her whole body across for it to count.
A few moments later.
Tigger's still just sitting there, giving her plenty. There it is. There's the winner. Fierce advances to the championship.
Tigger's just like, I love lives.
are in the championship round. In the championship round, we have Fierce going up against Jaws. Because it is the championship, we're gonna do a best out of three. Best out of three. So here we go. The first head-to-head matchup between Jaws and Fierce. On your mark, get set, go! And there goes Fierce. Looking around, uh-oh, there goes Jaws! He's got a chance to steal it and he gets the first matchup. So we got 1-0 Jaws and the lead.
Loud noises!
And here we go with race number 2 in the championship round. Jaws against Fierce. Jaws already has 1 win. He needs 1 more to take it all. Fierce needs to win this one and the next one in order to be the champion. On your mark, get set, go! There goes Fierce. Look at the outside. Jaws just staying still, and Fierce wins the second race. So it's going to come down to a race 3. Going to come down to a third race between Jaws and Fierce. Winner is the champion. And here we go. This one for all the marbles, the final race in the championship round. Jaws and Fierce going head to head. The winner of this race is our amazing puppy race champion. And here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Jaws just laying around. Fierce looking to the outside. Jaws right behind him. Fierce crosses the line first. And Fierce is our winner. So there you have it, the end of the amazing puppy race, our silly little tournament this week. Fierce was the winning puppy, and there were 2 kids this week who correctly predicted that Fierce would be the winner. That was Connor H. and Tate H. So congratulations to the both of you. Your names have been added into our drawing in extra time, and now at this time, it's time to do our drawing to see who the winner of this week's SKM keychain is. And here we go. Let's see who that is. And this week's winner is Carson M. So congratulations, Carson. You are this week's winner. And congratulations to you. To everybody else, come back next week. We'll see what we have planned. And you can be put into the drawing and be participating in whatever activities we've got coming up next week as well. So please check back in with us next week. That's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Love you all. Praying for you.